4y minus 8 equals to 2y plus 20. Find y. Solution. So we have 4y minus 8 equals to 2y plus 20. What we need to do is to isolate the term with y, which in this case is 4y and 2y. So I'm going to add negative 2y to both sides. So the new equation becomes 2y minus 8 equals to 20. Now to find the value of y, I need to isolate the constant term, which are minus 8 and 20. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides. So the new equation becomes 2y equals to 28. Now to find y, we need to divide both sides by 2. So we have 2y over 2 equals to 28 over 2. So 2 can cancel out 2 over here, and the final answer is y equals to 14.